Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on the Sui Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see various different options to sign up or log in to your account. Now, if you have signed up using a passphrase or a private key, then you can tap on more options in order to choose from the menu. And if you have created your account using your Google, your Twitch or your Facebook ID, you can click on the respective account option and you will now be asked to log in to the respective account or select this account right away. After choosing this account and proceeding forward with verifying your identity, you will see the unlock your wallet as well as confirm transaction option, for which biometrics or a PIN code access will be required for verification. Make sure both of these are turned on and then tap on the next button. You will be required to enter your biometrics or the PIN code in order to verify your identity. After you enter this, you will now be welcomed to your existing account on Sui Wallet right away. And you will also be prompted to enable two-factor authentication. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Sui Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.